Hi guys, in today's video on useful Xhosa phrases, we're basically going to learn how to say, how was your day? And my day was nice, it was nice. So basically this prefix ibi means it was, but only for nouns of the noun plus 9. So those are nouns that start with I. And most of your borrowed words like immortal and e-computer, etc., will have this prefix E. It's a very common noun class, and obviously also a lot of Xhosa words, Xhosa nouns have this E prefix. And for the past tense, we just start with EB, it was. In this list of examples, I've put the adjectives in bold, so if you don't know these adjectives, then you should learn them because they're very common. The only exception is the second one, ibin tle, has NTLE instead of HLE, which you might have seen in other contexts. Hle meaning beautiful, and tle, it just depends on the phonetic context. So in this case, it has to be ibin tle. So we have ibin jani, how was it? Or literally, it was how. Ibin tle, it was good, it was beautiful, it was nice. Ibin zima, it was hard, it was difficult. Ibimnandi, it was nice, it was sweet. So other nouns that you could use this ibi with would be iholide, the holiday, imini, the day, ikofu, coffee, impelaveki. Impela is the end and veki from Afrikaans, week, so the weekend, impelaveki. Here are some dialogues using these phrases. Ibinjani imini yako. How was your day? Ibinjani imini yako. Ibintle enkosi. It was nice, thank you. It was good. Eyako, yours and yours. Ibinjani iholide yako. How was your holiday? Ibimnandi kakhulu. It was really nice. Impelaveki ibintle. Impelaveki ibintle. Was the weekend nice? Was your weekend nice? Ibintle kakhulu enkosi. It was really nice, thank you.